Hey there everyone. This video is going to be different from what I usually upload, but it's a hot topic and it needs to be explored. So I have posted a video about a game called Immortals Fenyx Rising and that was cracked recently. Before moving on, this game is not the target or the other cracked games. But it's about the process that is involved to get the games cracked. So what's the issue in case you're wondering? Well, it's about Empress and FitGirl. Who are they? Well, Empress is the queen of cracking games such as Assassin's Creed Odyssey, Red Dead Redemption 2 and many more. She is one of the scene groups who cracks the games and the only Denuvo cracker. Without them there would be no repackers. I will explain this later, but for now you can find more details of the games that have been cracked from this link that is currently shown. In there it shows you the scene groups, release and crack date, and other useful information. And FitGirl is a repacker, not a cracker. Some people get confused on this and this is where the misunderstanding happens. FitGirl has the crack that has been provided from the scene groups like Empress from Torrents and P2P that the crackers give. Note that the crackers don't demand any money back as they do it for the spirit for themselves and to beat other scene groups. But donations are always an option as it motivates them. Anyhow, we'll jump to the main point, and that is the discord between Empress and FitGirl. It all started over the release over Immortals Fenyx Rising. As I've mentioned, it's not about the game, but rather what's behind it. So when Empress cracked the game and uploaded it to her seed box, she deliberately reduced the download speed to 200 kilobytes per second for a specific reason. And that reason is purely about recognition. You see, Empress gets annoyed when people like us, when we play the cracked games, we often use repacked versions because it allows us to download the game with less storage space. And where do we go to get the cracked games? Yes, we get it from FitGirl. And people don't read anything beyond the repack and that the donations end up to the repackers like FitGirl and not the actual cracker like Empress. Not only that, it demotivates Empress because she spends days, weeks and months on a crack, and it surely doesn't help that people recognize her besides FitGirl. Furthermore, the limited speed of the game upload means that no one will get the game before others and that everyone will get it at the same time. This way it will help Empress with recognition because it will allow individuals to download her cracks directly rather relying on repacks from several repackers. And yes, it's not Empress's fault, because she's not getting acknowledged and that the praises are jumping to the repackers as well as their spotlight. FitGirl also mentioned about Empress about erasing the HDD one day. I consider it to be trash talking and that you shouldn't take it personally at all. But Empress's crack are 100% safe and that it will not affect your device in any manner. Also, Empress will continue cracking, but she requires our support. She's not demanding, but without our support she won't be able to crack the games. After all, she is the only Denuvo cracker, and without the cracks, repackers will be useless. Therefore, be fair with her and be patient for her cracks and praise her for it. And that the other repackers think they claim Empress's crack after she delayed it for 24 hours. As Empress limited the speed. FitGirl got annoyed for this and the factors I've mentioned before, thus removing the repack from her list. With that, FitGirl has declared she will no longer be repacking any new cracked games from Empress. This could be disappointing, but it will give Empress more recognition and that there will be repackers out there who will still do this under Empress's guidance. But Empress is not a dictator. Not that I'm supporting either of them. But she's right because she cracked the game in her own time for us. At no costs and didn't demand a single cent. It's only fair as to how she wants her cracks to be handled. Also, Empress doesn't have a personal grudge on FitGirl or crackers themselves. But what they do is the reason for hatred. Also, FitGirl did make a statement about Empress not releasing the cracks, only, which Empress replied, releasing cracks only makes trouble when it's leaked. I cannot do that. Even when I know it might hurt some people. But FitGirl attacked on this point, claiming it was a bad thing to do. But Empress also did this. As the game, she provides the game with the latest versions and not with outdated versions. This is quite interesting and sad. But suddenly when I was creating the video, this post emerged. It shows now that Empress may be gone now and arrested. So the crack releases for Watch Dogs Legion, Assassin's Creed Valhalla, Far Cry 6 and several other games may not happen. I won't be going into detail with this, but it's something to consider on. But yes, this does wrap up the video. Let me know any questions regarding to this and I will answer you back. Also, who do you think is right? Comment below. Besides that, I'll see you in the next video.